Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fiska Anggraini with nickname 21042094. Risk and Disaster Management. Disaster Risk Management System in Vietnam, Progress and Challenge. Vietnam is one of the countries most affected by disaster in the world, with a coastline of 21 of the 1,240 kilometers, combined with diverse topography. Vietnam faces a high risk of disaster ranking 91st out of 191 countries of the 2019 Informed Risk Index. The country has a very high level of exposure to flooding, including river flood, flood, and coastal flooding. Vietnam also has a high level of exposure to typical cyclones and the hazard associated with them. Nearly 70% of the national population live in coastal and low-developed provinces, making them vulnerable to this disaster. Economic impact. Natural disaster can hinder economic development and affect countries' ability to maintain positive trends. Due to their diversity, Vietnam ranks high in the Asia-Pacific region due to a relatively rapid economic growth over the last 30 years. However, the country has experienced major disasters that have affected macroeconomic variables, public financial continuity, and long-term fiscal health. Vietnam experienced a average annual level of 1.2–1.5% GDP. Social impact. In Vietnam, the impact of disaster varies even though the country is composed of heterogeneous group of people from the different social connect with varying level of access to support, service, and capital. The gap between urban and rural areas is starkly visible, affecting access to service and public facility, availability of support, and adaptive capability of extreme disaster. As well as local household hesitancy in dealing with chronic stress due to accumulated and prolonged impact. Natural disaster risk management system in Vietnam. Vietnam has developed major policies to integrate disaster risk management into development plans at the central and regional levels. Disaster information and warning system are being modernized with the integration of disaster education in training programs. However, a challenge in DRM have been identified confining institutional, financial, and information issues. MBR funding scores in Vietnam include two main scores, namely 1. Average source of funding from the APBN. A. State budget contingencies. Second, funding scores outside the APBN. A. Natural disaster prevention and control fund. B. Financial support from abroad. Challenge of the NDM system in Vietnam. A. Legal and institutional challenge. B. Financial challenge. First, Vietnam faced a major shortage of financial resources for disaster prevention. Second, Vietnam does not have suffered financial costs to carry out post-disaster recovery with large damage. Third, the biggest institutional weakness in DRM funding is that there in a control unit that can holistically connect strategies, policies, and priorities in disaster risk management plans. Fourth, disaster planning and management cycle has many shortcomings. Another dam to DRM in Vietnam. One, natural disaster. Two, increased in the context of climate change, especially extreme events, to the COVID-19 epidemic and its socio-economic impact have resulted in a lack of public financial resources to spend on other social objectives, including DRM. In Vietnam, the COVID-19 epidemic has experienced four outbreaks and is not all over yet. Three, economic development may lead to a decline in ecosystem-based disaster mitigation effort in Vietnam. Ecosystem play an important role in disaster prevention and human protection. Uh, Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.